If x and y are two sets such that nx is equals to 17, ny is equals to 23, and nx union y is equals to 38, find nx intersection y.
Now let me explain this question here. In this question, the given data is in front of you. Nx is 17, number of element in y is 23, union is 38, and we need to find out the intersection. So we must remember this formula here. That formula we have discussed. If you look at the formula here, the formula for x union y is equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y. So let us apply this identity here in this question to solve it. So we have discussed the three identities when we are discussing the concept of this exercise. So we have discussed the three formulas in detail, right? So that is the second. This is the second formula from there. Now let us put the values given here. What is this given? This given is 38. What is nx given in the question? Is given 17. Ny 23. X and y, this thing we need to find. ये हमें find करना है, right? Now shift this n x intersection y on this side and add this 17 plus 23, it's 40, and take this 38 on this side, minus 38 is equal to 2. So this is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this next question here.
If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements, and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y have?
Okay. So the given data in this question is x and y are the two sets. 18 elements are given. यूनियन में 18 एलिमेंट्स गिवन है, एक्स में 8 एलिमेंट गिवन है, वाई में 15 एलिमेंट गिवन है. एक्स एंड वाई वी नीड टू फाइंड इन दिस केस. So again the formula we must remember this identity n x union y is equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y, right? Now put the given values here in this identity. What is x union y is given 18. It's given 8 in the question, it's given 15, and this thing we need to find in this question, x and y, right? Now shift this on that side, then it can be written as 15 plus 8, 23, minus, shift this 18 on this side, it become minus 18 is equal to 5. So 5 is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you. Easy, is this question easy? Seems easy if you remember that formula. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this question 3.
In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English?
Okay, now let me explain this question to you. Look at this. Hindi speak कर रहे हैं 250 people. English speak कर रहे हैं 200 people. How many people can speak both? So what we need to find? Hindi and intersection. And means intersection we need to find this thing. And what is given this 400 in a group of 400 people. 400 peoples का ग्रुप है. So union H union जो हिंदी और इंग्लिश बोलते हैं दोनों को मिला के it's given here 400, right? Now we know an identity that first thing we need to identify what is given in the question. क्वेश्चन में क्या दे रखा है आइडेंटिफाई करना पहले इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसके बाद एक हमें आइडेंटिटी जो हमने देखी थी, सो वी मस्ट रिमेंबर दैट आइडेंटिटी. एंड इसको हम लोग ऐसे बना सकते हैं H यूनियन E. H यूनियन E इज इक्वल टू, यूनियन अगर निकालना है तो H जो हिंदी रीड करते हैं, इंग्लिश रीड करते हैं और कॉमन एलिमेंट्स को माइनस कर देंगे एंड H एंड E. Now put all the values given in this question here in this formula. So what is this? This is given 400. This is given 250. English given 200 minus this thing we need to find. जो हिंदी भी पढ़ते हैं और इंग्लिश भी पढ़ते हैं, the common to both. Now that find this H and E from here. So it can be written as 450 minus, अगर 400 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे it become 50. So 50 is the answer in this case. How many people speak Hindi and English both? The answer is 50. I hope this question is clear. Now let's move to the next question.
If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does S union T have?
Okay, let me explain this to you. Look at this here, the given data. In the given data, it is given in the question that this 21 is given in S के अंदर 21, 32, T के अंदर, S and T के अंदर 11. So this is given in the question. And what we need to find? S union T. So S union T is, so then we need to find out this thing. So let us apply the formula S union T. That formula is NS plus NT minus the common element S and T. Now put the given values in this question here. What is NS given is 21, NT is given 32, and it's given 11, right? So it comes out to be 3, 5 minus 11. So 42 is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, this is question 5.
Sir, if X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements, how many elements does Y have?
Okay, so NX is given 40 here. Look at the given data in the question. NX is given 40. X union Y is given 60. So let me write this here. X union Y is given 60. And X and Y, X intersection Y is given 10. It's given 10, right? X intersection Y. So पहले इस क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या गिवन है वो पता होना बहुत जरूरी है और हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है इस क्वेश्चन में. We need to find Y and Y we need to find in this question, right? Now let us apply that formula. We know NX union Y is equal to NX plus NY minus NX intersection Y, right? So now put all the given values here in this formula. NX, it is given 60, it is given 40, it is given, it is what we need to find, NY, right? Minus, and it is given here 10. So now let us find it, NY. Find NY. NY is equal to 60, 40 minus 10, 30, and when it shifts on that side, it become minus 30. So 30 is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you. Now look at this question number 6.
In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea?
Okay, now let me explain this question here. What is the given data in the question is 37 like coffee. So let NC is equal to 37. 52 like tea and 52 like tea. So NT is given 52. And each person like at least one of the two drink in a group of 70. What is this? So this is given union. C union T. जो कॉफी भी like करते हैं और टी भी like करते हैं, that is 70 people are like that. How many people like both? So what we need to find in this question is we need to find N, C and T, the common. जो common है कॉफी में भी और टी में भी, right? So let me write the identity here. Which identity I am going to use? N. It is the identity for union and it can return for intersection like this also. NC plus NT minus NC union T, right? Now put the given values here. NC is given 37, NT is given 52, and it is given 70. So it comes out to be 83, 89 minus 70, 19. So the final answer in this case is 19. I hope this question is clear to you all. Now,
Yes, sir.
now let's move to the next question. Look at this question 7.
In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only, not cricket? How many like tennis?
Okay. Look at this. What is given in the question is 40 like cricket. So let me write the given data first. NC, number of cricket is 40. 10 like both cricket and tennis. 10 means common element है ये cricket और tennis में. So it is common मतलब C intersection T, tennis and cricket. And it is a group of 65 people. How many like tennis only, not cricket? अब ऐसे people हमें find करने हैं जो केवल tennis को ही like करते हैं, cricket को like नहीं करते हैं, right? So the two things are given. One thing is given 65 here in a group of 65 people. This 65 is union. So union is given NC union T. जो टेनिस वाले हैं और क्रिकेट वाले सभी को मिला के टोटल कितने हैं 65. सो सबसे पहले फाइंड कर लेते हैं इसमें द गिवन थिंग फाइंड कर लेते हैं टेनिस कितने लोग खेलते हैं. सो दिस इज द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी लाइक टेनिस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड दिस हाउ मेनी लाइक टेनिस एंड द सेकंड वी फाइंड ओनली टेनिस, जो केवल टेनिस खेलते हैं, राइट, ओनली टेनिस. So how to find these two things? So first of all, let us apply the formula here. That formula we know, NC union T, जो tennis is equal to NC plus NT minus NC intersection T. Now put all the values here, given values. What is this given is 65. What is NC given? It is given 40. NT, it is not known, we need to find it. And what is this intersection given? 10 minus 10. So now let us find NT from here, number of tennis. So it's 65 minus 40 minus 10 is 30 minus 30. Shift that 30 on that side, 65 की side में shift कर दिया, so it comes out to be 5, 3. So 35 people like. How many people like tennis? It's 35. तो 35 people ऐसे हैं जो टेनिस को लाइक करते हैं. अब ओनली टेनिस हम लोग कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस आइडेंटिटी फॉर दिस NT माइनस NCNT. तो जो टेनिस और क्रिकेट में जो कॉमन है उनको अगर हटा दें टेनिस वाले प्लेयर्स में से, तो केवल जो टेनिस खेलते हैं वही प्लेयर बचेंगे, राइट. सो द आंसर इन दिस केस इज द सेकंड पार्ट. टेनिस कितने खेलते हैं? 35. और ये कितना गिवन है? CNT, इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. 10 प्लेयर कॉमन है. So the answer for this one is 25. So 25 people केवल टेनिस खेलते हैं और 35 people में 10 ऐसे भी हैं जो क्रिकेट भी खेलते हैं, टेनिस भी खेलते हैं, right? I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this next question here. In this question, committee of 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish. Let me write the given data first. So French is given 50. And French means number of people speak French 50 है. 20 speak Spanish, number of people Spanish को ऐसे डिनोट किया मैंने, it's 20. And 10 speak both. तो both means common element. French intersection Spanish is given here 10, right? How many speak at least one of the two language? तो कम से कम एक लैंग्वेज तो बोलता हो, एक बोलता हो या दोनों बोलते हो. कम से कम एक और दोनों भी हो. एटलीस्ट का मतलब दोनों लैंग्वेज भी बोल सकता है, राइट. So what we need to find in this question is, we need to find the union. French union Spanish, right? So this thing we need to find in this case here. So now let me write the identity. F union S we can find out by NS plus NF minus N French intersection this. So you write this identity every time when you solve the question. Then this identity will be automatically fixed in your mind. Now let us put the values here, the given values in the question. NS is given 20. Okay, this is given 20. What is NF? NF is given 50. What is intersection? It is given 10. Right? So it comes out to be 20, 50, 70 minus this 60. So 60 is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you all. So this is all about this exercise 1.6.